I guess I'm talking to my camera now. So, it's like 4:15, I think. It's 4 something. And I woke up from a long nap. The deck is wet. Hope I don't drop my phone. And, yeah, I'm going back over there. That was a big puddle. So, when you take a nap and you think, like, what time is it? What day is it? Where am I? Oh, that happened. Okay, microphone's over here. And, last night, last night I went to bed at like 10:30. And I woke up at 3 because my brother and father were. Excuse me, that was gross, I know. My brother and my father were just, waking up, getting ready to go off to Jamaica because that's what they want to do. So at like around 3:30, they left, and I was awake by then. So that's 10:30 to 3. That's like 4.5 hours. That's enough for me, but so I was playing on my phone until I was tired again. And then I was tired. So I fell back asleep at 5 to 10. So that's 5 hours. That's 9.5 hours. That's too much for me. Felt long. Too long and it just was very long to the time I went to bed to the time I woke up. No, but in all, I was like in my bed for a 12-hour span, so I didn't like that. Oof, let me just show you some more of the view. Boom. There's that. It's really nice. I'm just showing you what I'm looking at. And so I'm so I woke up at 10 feeling like a huge headache because it's just too much sleep for me. And then just not too long ago, well, around like 1:30, I had lunch, caught up on my Game Grumps, just chilling, quiet house. Just me and my mom here in this gloomy, rainy weather. There's gonna be snow, but it's rain, I guess. I don't know. And I had some flatbread pizza. Kinda regret it because my pal Joey's coming over and he'll probably want some flatbread. And can't have too much pizza for some reason now. Stomach just can't handle it. And so after that, I thought, you know what if I take a nap? Maybe it'll cancel out this headache and tiredness or grogginess. And I did feel a little tired for some reason. It was a really bad idea to have pizza and take a nap. But I did it. I'm horrible. So I did. Now I woke up, it was like 4. Yeah. And I fell asleep. So it was like 3 hours. Well, like 2.5, 3 hours. And now I feel even more dizzy and groggy, and my headache's coming back. I'm having ginger ale. Just because I felt like having something like fruity. I was gonna have tea, but I just thought, no, I can't have anything warm. Too much warm. Just want something cold, but like kind of fruity taste. And I like taste of ginger. So there's that. now I need fresh air. I need just cold. I need to be awake. I thought it would wake me up. It is. Okay, it's quiet. I know people are awake in their houses. It's so strange. See, you can maybe see, yeah, right there. People are awake. It's very wet, rainy out. I could hear cars off the distance. No wind, just dripping and some cars and maybe, I'm not gonna say wind, but a breeze. It's really nice. So I just wanted to share that. Okay. See you next time.